Today I'll be using the lighter pencil that is called the HB pencil or the H pencil. Now when I choose a drawing, what I'm going to draw today is that I'm going to make a stack of books, or like the books the way it is arranged in a library. You can see the lines which I'm used is using entirely Scribble. I'm making a C alphabet, then I'm going for horizontal lines and scribbling and making n number of pages between those two parallel lines. End of the time you can see the way I am making the line scribble scribble scribble, and I'm making it look like a book. Same time I'm adding a pen set out here or a pencil set where I'm again using the scribble method. You can see the way I'm using the scribble pencil and giving a shape of a pencil and a set towards it. So end of the class, what you will be learning with a lighter pencil is how to make a library part portion.